Hey.
What's up, guys? We're back. We're back.
Lil Uzi Vert, NFL.
Yes.
Let's see.
Uzi.
I done seen, no, in his last 10 years of work, I done seen a lot of people come and go. I done seen niggas drop shit, don't drop it no more. We ain't still in the same cars, bro. If you want, you could buy.
Being in a room full of men and having your shirt off is just weird. That's just weird.
Because what are you doing?
There will never be.
In a room with no windows.
Yeah. Like, nah.
You got the money. Niggas don't got $1 million for cars right now, bro. The biggest, bro. No bad.
Never fall.
Fresh we whip by 10 on 10. Fresh we whip by 10. Yeah. Big body, I feel the beat. I just made my soul an enemy in NFL. Bitch, don't call my phone, you heard I'm doing well. I don't give two F's like a Fendi Val. Whipping up these babies underneath and I change your bitch. That's your bitch, not my concern, bitch. Do you fuck with me or you don't like me with a verdict? Yeah, Lil Uzi Vert. Yeah, bustin' my fun and my pound I've had my serve.
He has reached a certain level of rich.
Here's what?
He has reached a certain level of rich. That's
yeah, I got my chopper on me and they moving so sturdy. Yeah, if you want to talk about me, I don't hope that he wordy. Yeah, we put that shit to a brain and we turn to a surgeon. They never open up the casket cause they were clear. Fresh we whip by 10 on 10. Fresh we whip by 10. Yeah, big body, I feel the beat. I just made my soul an enemy in NFL. Bitch, don't call my phone, you heard I'm doing well. I don't give two F's like a Fendi Val. Whipping all these babies underneath and I change your bitch. That's your bitch, not my concern, bitch. Fresh we whip by 10 on 10. Fresh we whip by.
Even though I get the appeal of Lil Uzi Vert, I don't know, this is not for me.
I've never been a fan of Uzi. I've heard maybe 2-3 cool songs, but
Yeah, he's had some
I've never
good
like
songs,
got him like.
like the one with Pharrell and what's that other one?
All my friends are dead. Hey.
But yeah,
He has a few good songs.
yeah, I just don't understand this. The beat is here and he's here and they're just there is.
Big body, I feel the beat. I just made my soul an enemy in NFL. Bitch, don't call my phone, you heard I'm doing well. I don't give two F's like a Fendi Val. Whipping all these babies underneath and I change your bitch. That's your bitch, not my concern, bitch.
I'll never understand why they carry so much cash. It just does not make sense to me. It does not make sense.
They have too much of it.
Yeah, but with cash, the point that I'm making, like, it's a hassle. You have to physically go withdraw the money in order to have like a bunch of money, and then they even barely go to like stores and shop. That's why it's like I just don't understand the idea of you just want to have a bunch of money on you.
You think guys like Uzi Vert are gonna one day regret their tattoos?
Of course, everyone will regret their tattoos. Mark my words, everyone.
Unless like fate is on your side and you have a low life expectancy. Yeah, it's crazy.
You must leave with me, that Rocky got me walk up. Yeah, I'm just trying to see if she wanna fuck me right there like them. Yeah, I'm just trying to pop this little mallet on Satan. Yeah, I can't even be like no nigga pull up trans I am. Yeah, I am so anointed, but they think I'm still Satan. Yeah, she is so annoyed when I'm bringing my trusty friends. Yeah.
They think you're satanic because you say you're satanic.
Exactly.
But by the way, good.
These visuals are clean, yo.
Yeah, it's very clean. Like very
Even
clean.
the edits, like
very clean.
sometimes like some videos with edits, it's like too much and it does not add anything.
Yeah.
But these ones are very good.
It actually suits him.
Yeah.
It suits him.
Think I'm still Satan. Yeah, she is so annoyed when I'm bringing my trusty friends. Yeah. Big body, I feel the pain. I just made my soul an enemy in NFL. Bitch, don't call my phone, you heard I'm doing well. I don't give two F's like a
Is that Birdman?
Yep.
Why do they look like they're the same height?
They are. Birdman's actually short.
He's short, but he's not that short. He's taller than Lil Wayne.
I'm doing well.
That's just okay. Maybe he was wearing heels like that.
I don't give two F's like a Fendi bell. We been all these babies I need and I change your bitch. That's your bitch, not my concern, bitch. Fresh me with my 10 fresh me with my 10. Yeah, big baddie off here, no pay. I just made my soda like I'm in NFL. Bitch, don't call my phone, you heard I'm doing well. I don't give two F's like a Fendi bell. We been all these babies I need and I change your bitch. That's your bitch, not my concern, bitch.
That's a cool little.
I can't remember the last time I've seen Heelys.
Yeah, that's a cool.
Damn.
These babies I need and I change your bitch. That's your bitch, not my concern, bitch.
Okay. Uzi Vert, NFL.
Yeah, that was Lil Uzi Vert.
Same old for me.
Cool visuals. The song, I get it. It does have a nice sound to it. Am I gonna listen to it? No, because it's not really my thing. But yeah, I get the appeal. I understand the appeal. He's one of those guys.
Yeah.
Who I don't understand, but I understand the appeal. I understand so I don't blame you if you are a fan. Like, kudos. But yeah, that was Lil Uzi Vert.
NFL. So
NFL.
Never fall. Yeah.
Yeah. Please like, subscribe, and suggest videos that we can react to.
And we'll do so and give you a shout out. But for now, let's go.